Hello, welcome back to MFWoodShop. Today I'm going to build this puzzle board. It is sized for basically every 1,000-piece puzzle that I found. So roughly it's 22 inches by 30 inches. And that was, for the most part, cover any 1,000-piece puzzle. Now there are plans for this on Rockler's website. Their plan is for a 500-piece puzzle. And that's kind of where I got this idea from. I'm not sponsored or anything, but that's where the idea came from. I just really thought it'd be a fun project to do, so that's what I did over the last couple days. Want to see how I do it? Stay tuned. All right, the project turned out excellent. I really like the way this turned out. Like I said at the beginning of the video, this will fit a 1,000-piece puzzle, at least for all the dimensions that I've ever found. It's roughly 22 by 30, and the main puzzle will go up here at the top, and then you could store your loose pieces over here on the white area. Now, the main board, this dark brown section, this is what's called handy board. I picked it up at Menards, and the same thing with the white. And for this particular product, it's actually two-toned. So one side is this, another side is dark, and the same thing with the white board. One side is white, and the other side's kind of a barn, faded barn look. So you can pick whatever you want. This was just a cheap way to do it, basically, and it saved a whole lot of time with you know, staining and you know, finishing. Plus, it's a nice smooth surface. So that was just a good way for me to do it. The outside frame is made of hickory, and then this inner frame is cherry. And together, I just think all three of them's a good combination, and it looks real well. The only thing I haven't figured out is kind of hard to pull these apart. So I need a pull knob on each end, and I was actually thinking about maybe like a leather rope or some rope material or something like that. That way you can actually move the board this way. Let me know in the comments below what you think about that. Otherwise, it might just be like a simple little knob, and I might just turn that and put it on there. I don't know yet. On the bottom, I have rubber feet for the main board and felt feet for the parts that slide out. And then there's just a little divider piece that shuts everything up. So this project's done. I really like the way this turned out. Any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you next time.